Here's a recipe you just have to try. It's colourful, it's tasty and dead easy to make. Welcome to the barbecue walk of flame. Pitta pockets are just perfect for a barbecue. You can literally put anything in them. When it comes to finger food, they are, in my book, up there with hot dogs and burgers. So let's get this show on the road. Well, it's a bit chilly out here, but my Weber Q is warming up nicely. So to make Pitta pockets, we need Pitta bread. I saw these in my local supermarket. It says on the packet they are easy to split and ready to be filled. And it's absolutely correct. No one wants empty pockets. To make the filling, 4 peppers of different colours, 1 red onion and a clove or 2 of garlic. First, to remove the seeds from the peppers, cut around the top, twist and remove. Now tap out any of the remaining seeds, cut into quarters, trim off any of that white pith and remove any seeds that may still be hanging around. Now cut the peppers into slices. Once sliced, they have to be diced. Repeat with the remaining peppers for a kaleidoscope of colour on the cutting board. Add the diced peppers to a mixing bowl. With the red onion, halve, slice and dice and scrape into the mixing bowl. I am grating a clove or 2 of garlic, which also goes into the mixing bowl. Drizzle with oil, season with salt and black pepper and swirl to coat. Take 2 chicken breast fillets and pat dry with kitchen towel. Then I'm slicing them very thinly because I want the chicken to cook as quickly as the peppers. With the chicken in a bowl, drizzle with a little oil and season with salt and black pepper. Now get your hands in and mix thoroughly. Don't forget to wash your hands when you're done. With my Weber Q nice and hot, I'm using the griddle to cook the peppers and the chicken. Just listen to that sizzle. I've made space for the chicken and on it goes. Keep everything moving around for even cooking, mixing the chicken and the peppers. I really wished you could smell this. Looks like we have a visitor in the garden. Could it be the smell of the cooking? No, I think it's looking for building materials. After about 10 minutes, the chicken and the peppers are cooked. So it's off the griddle and back into a mixing bowl. Now for the flavour. I picked up this Lumberjack's Tangy Moonshine Mango Sauce from the garden centre. Sounds nice, so I thought I'd give it a try. I'm adding a good glug to the filling. Give it a stir to mix. Taste and adjust the seasoning. Opening the pittas, dead easy. Now generously fill the pockets. Come on, don't be stingy. With the aroma coming from this filling, my mouth's watering already. That's it, all filled. And there are my perfect barbecue chicken pittas. If you'd like to know more about this recipe or cooking on a Weber Q, then all you have to do is click that button. Don't forget to activate and ding the bell and leave your question or comment in the community box below. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Now, here's the recipe recap. This is the reward for the cook. The flavour is amazing. I cannot believe something so simple can taste so good. This is barbecue finger food at its best. These pittas are not only simple, they're also versatile. You can be as creative as you wish with your fillings. So, what would your perfect filling be? Let those creative juices flow and let me know in the community box below. Poetry. Give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Well, that just about wraps it up for now. So join me next time on the Barbecue Walk of Flame and see what's cooking on my Weber Q. But for now, from me, the old geezer at the grill, it's goodbye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.